with another video. Review on the SOUT 12 after a couple of months of having it. It definitely does the job. Just thought I'd do a review on it after using it. I had this thing wired at 2 ohms, which is it did pretty good. It still does pretty good. I took it out so I can test this amp out. The ANKER head, the ramps he had, and make sure everything was good on it. That tested out well, but I figured since I already had this out, I'll go ahead and do a review on this. Of course, y'all know the Sundown SOUT 12 at Sundown, what is it? Low voltage technology. Pretty much what the Sundown audio low voltage technology is what it stands for and whatnot. This the SOUT 12. Of course, y'all can see that. It has 3 grounds, 3 hops right there in the remote wire input. It's the largest one they make so far, as far as the Korean boards and whatnot. Of course, you got the 2 grounds, 2 positive speaker inputs. You got the remote bass knob. Comes with the like the phone jack looking cable. You got your gains and all that on the side. The Tiffany style RCA cables over there. Of course, it has quite a bit of weight on this thing, so you definitely want to make sure you have enough power to get this thing powered up or whatnot. You don't want to get in there with a stock alternator and all that doing this. So for the price, I think it's worth it, but you know, it's a big investment. I think it's like 43 or 4400. You can buy them used in different places, so you know, if that's the best thing to save you a couple of dollars, that may be the best option. Would I do it again? I probably would. I thought about doing a second one and doing more subwoofers. Excuse me. I had to wire at 2 ohms just to keep from wiring at half ohm, because I don't think it's really good at half ohm. I mean, I wouldn't gamble with it. Of course, if you pop one of these, it'd be probably expensive fix. So I definitely wouldn't recommend wiring below. But some people do that. So could you do less amount of amplifiers to get the job done? Yeah, you probably could, and probably be a little more efficient. Probably. I'm not really for sure because I'm not an expert. But if I had to do it again, I would probably do 2 SOUT 8s. Due to the fact that I got 2 ohm subwoofers, I can just put each amplifier at 1 ohm on there instead of me having it at 2. So at this point, I'm just stuck in a situation where I can either recone mine or add 2 more subs, which I want to add 2 more subs or more anyway. So that may be what I'll do. So I can get this thing down to 1 ohm and it'll perform a little bit better probably. Of course, it comes with the bass knob. Let me get that out. Hold on. Of course, that's your bass knob or whatnot. Of course, like I was saying, it has the phone jack. I forget what it's called, a cat something. I don't know. I don't know. But then you can adjust the voltage right here on the back, and this little hole right here to set everything up. But definitely, you know, it's a big amp, man. You know, it's a big price ticket on it. I guess this is probably the main deal breaker for most people. The price tag on it, and you gotta have some space to put this one. It's like 30-something inches, almost 40 inches of a sub. You know, the bigger the better, they say. You know, but I know it does well over rated power anyway. I watched the dyno from Sundown unofficial video. And I watched that video a long time before I made the purchase. I really just wanted 1 amp so I can, it's easier for me to manage like that. Versus a couple of them. I got a game match. Well, I got the right tools to do the game match and the DD1 and you know, the SMD tools. I got a couple of those, so I can match it pretty accurate. But main thing is 1 amp for just do the whole thing. But like I said, you got to keep this thing below at 14.8 or below. But some people like to gamble and go above. But like I said, if you can gamble like that, you know, that's good. I just can't do it, you know, not doing it like that. But you know, if you can do it, go ahead. But definitely, this is SOUT 12. And be sure to like, subscribe, hit the video. And right now, at the current time on this video, Sundown audio is on sale right now, up to 25% off. Use the link down below, or you can go to shopbasswithkev.com or caraudioConnect.com and click on Sundown, and it'll take you right to the sale. And be sure to use code BWK. And I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Like I say, man, I can't complain about it. Of course, I run the Sundown Nightshades 18s. I want to do 2 more, or a few more, matter of fact. But I'm not really for sure, man. I'm open to a few things, but like I say, I'm testing this amp for ANKER out right now. This other amp, this Taramps, and I decided to do this video for y'all, man. So be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all back on the next one.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down.